Introducing the master of adaptation, nature. Fireflies light up the night sky to attract mates. Their light is produced by a chemical reaction in their bodies, and the patterns they flash can be used to communicate with each other. Tarantulas flick hairs from their bodies to defend themselves against predators. The hairs can irritate the predator's eyes and skin, making it difficult for them to attack. Starfish can regenerate lost limbs or even an entire body from just one arm. This amazing ability allows them to survive even when they are injured or attacked. Ostriches are the largest and fastest birds on Earth. They can run up to 40 miles per hour, which helps them to escape from predators. That's it for today. Subscribe for more.